Creative finance for property in 2026, unlocking new pathways to build your property empire. Property investment strategies. By 2026, 60% of new property investments will rely on non-traditional financing methods. Why creative financing matters? What is creative financing? It's innovative, flexible funding approaches, alternatives beyond traditional bank loans, customized deal structures for investors. The 2026 market reality is that there's a shifting economic landscape which demands agility. Investors need faster, more accessible capital, a competitive edge through financing innovation. Traditional financing challenge. Property investors face major hurdles, strict lending criteria and rising interest rates, limited access for scaling large portfolios, slow approval processes that miss market opportunities. These barriers are pushing investors towards creative financing options in 2026. Strategy number 1, seller financing or vendor financing. What is seller financing or vendor financing? The buyer pays the seller directly over time, bypassing traditional banks entirely. An example, the investor acquires a rental property with just 10% down payment, then pays the seller monthly installments. Key benefits: flexible negotiated terms, faster closings without bank delays, accessible for investors with non-traditional credit profiles. Strategy number 2, lease options. Renting with the option to buy later at an agreed price. For example, rent to own single family home with a portion of rent credited towards the purchase price. Benefits: you can control the property with less upfront capital. You can test the market before committing to buy. Strategy 3, private money lending. What is it? Loans from private individuals or groups secured by the property itself, bypassing traditional banks entirely. An example, an investor funds a rehab project using capital from local private lenders or at competitive rates, closing in days instead of weeks. Key benefits: speed, fast approvals and funding, personalized terms tailored to your deal, access to capital outside traditional banking. Comparing creative financing methods. Flexibility. Seller financing offers most customizable terms. Speed. Private money lending closes fastest. Capital requirements. Lease options need least upfront. Risk level. Seller financing carries lowest risk exposure. The 2026 game changer, tokenized real estate financing. How blockchain is revolutionizing property investment. Fractional ownership via blockchain tokens. Global liquidity. Trade property shares 24/7. Low entry barriers. Invest from $500. Diversified investor portfolios worldwide. Faster transactions, lower fees. Example, an apartment complex tokenized into 10,000 shares at $200 each, funded by global investors in 48 hours. Astounding. Summary of the key strategies: seller financing, flexible terms, bypass the banks. Lease options, control property with less capital. Private money lending, speed and personalized terms. Tokenized real estate, the 2026 game changer. Join the conversation. Share your creative financing ideas in the comments below. Subscribe for more future focused investment strategies. Email alan@alpusgroup.com. Thank you for listening to our presentation. If you'd like to speak to me about anything you've heard or seen in this video, then don't hesitate to contact Alan, that's me, at 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com.